Hi and welcome to the Malat Cookery channel. So today I want to show you a natural mild cold and flu remedy which appears to have some beneficial effects. So a couple of disclaimers before we move forward with the video. So the first one is that even though we look for natural alternatives as parents to treat mild ailments, that will never ever take the place of seeking professional medical advice. So if you're in any doubt whatsoever about the symptoms that you've got, always seek professional medical advice from your GP, doctor or physician. So the second disclaimer is that Malat as a company make absolutely no medical claims whatsoever regarding any of their spice blends or single packaged herbs and spices. Right, so in this video I'm going to show you how I create a hot drink which, at least for our family, appears to have some beneficial effects when we're looking at mild cold and flu symptoms. For Malat customers, we're going to be using the Turmeric Super Spice Mix. But don't worry if you're not a Malat customer, because I'm going to show you how to do an alternative, and all of the ingredients are readily available from the shops. As usual, a full list of ingredients will be given at the end of this video, so let's have a look at those ingredients now and anything else we're going to need for today. So the ingredients that we're going to need for our cold and flu remedy: I've got a fresh lemon, some clear honey. For Malat customers, you need the Turmeric Super Spice Mix. For non-Malat customers, you'll need to source good quality turmeric. So we've got a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of ginger powder. Okay, so before we go any further, I just want to go through the individual parts of this potential cold and flu remedy and why they're actually here. So with regard to the turmeric, it's the compound in turmeric called curcumin that we're interested in, and that has potentially many health benefits, but the ones that we're interested in is it's been shown to be a good antioxidant, and also it can potentially boost the body's own immune system. With regard to the ginger, the compound in there, gingerol, and again, lots of health benefits, but the ones that I'm really interested in here is that it's been shown to inhibit bacteria and also potentially kill rhinoviruses, which is the onset of a cold, and has been shown to be a great reliever of sore throats. With regard to the black pepper, both turmeric and ginger is not readily absorbed into the bloodstream, and of course the more of these compounds we can get into the bloodstream, the more effective they are. That's where the pepperin within black pepper comes in, because that's a great absorber. So it will take a lot more of the curcumin and also gingerol into the bloodstream, and again make this potential remedy a lot more effective. With regard to the lemon, so we've got vitamin C within lemon and citric acid, and vitamin C again, a great boost to the body's own immune system. With regard to honey, so honey has antimicrobial properties, and also more than anything else, it'll make this a great tasting drink. It's also extremely good, it's been shown to be extremely good for sore throats. So for Malat customers, there's nothing really to do with regard to blending the spices because it's already been done in the Turmeric Super Spice Mix. Just one point on this Turmeric Super Spice Mix: there is also the addition of garlic and onion powder, and garlic and onion have been shown to have a positive impact on the circulatory system, and of course the more oxygenated blood that's going around the system, the better that's going to be, especially if you're unwell. So there's nothing to do with regard to the Turmeric Super Spice Mix. For non-Malat customers, really the only thing that you need to do is just to mix all of the spices together. Okay, so that's the spices together. The reason that I haven't mentioned placing onion and garlic into this raw mix is I do appreciate that good quality onion and garlic powder is quite difficult to source, and it's not really that necessary for this particular application. So once we've got our spice mixes, the next thing to do is to prepare the lemon. So we just take our lemon, slice the end off, and then we want to cut some fairly thick slices. So about 1/4 of an inch or maybe 5 or 6 millimeters in thickness. Okay, so once we have our slices, just take out any pips. And then it's just a simple case of 1/4 of a teaspoon of our spice mix. Just spread that out. So just drop the lemon slice into the bottom of the cup. Boil the kettle and just pour some boiling water over the lemon slice, and then add a teaspoon of our clear honey and just mix that in. Okay, once it's all mixed in, leave it now for about 5 minutes just to infuse, and then drink it. So there you go, a really easy recipe and a potential cold and flu remedy. What I will say is it definitely works for our family, and I haven't bought over-the-counter flu capsules for years. Please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.